The role of a CSPO in ensuring product market fit. Product market fit occurs when a product strongly resonates with its market. This leads to high demand, satisfied customers, and low churn. It is often called the stage where the product's value meets customer needs, solving their pain points. Without product market fit, organizations may waste resources. Their product may fail to attract interest or generate revenue. On the other hand, success can bring explosive growth, loyal customers, and a competitive edge. Key responsibilities of a CSPO. Understanding customer needs. The CSPO must gather and analyze customer feedback, market research, and competitive insights. They work closely with stakeholders to understand the audience's needs. They want to know their preferences, pain points, and behaviors. Defining and communicating the product vision. A clear, compelling product vision is vital. It aligns the team to achieve product market fit. The CSPO ensures that the vision is based on a deep understanding of the market and customer needs. Prioritizing the product backlog. The CSPO uses their market insights to prioritize features. They aim to deliver the most value to users. This involves balancing customer needs with business goals and technical constraints. Strategies CSPOs use to ensure product market fit. Conducting market research. CSPOs often do market research. They seek trends, customer pain points, and gaps in existing solutions. This research forms the foundation for the product strategy. Customer personal development. Creating detailed customer personas helps CSPOs prioritize the end user in decision making. These personas provide insights into the needs and expectations of different user segments. Minimum viable product (MVP) development. Launching an MVP allows CSPOs to validate assumptions with minimal investment. Feedback from early adopters helps refine the product and steer it toward market fit. Conclusion. In conclusion, achieving product market fit is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing journey. For CSPOs, this means staying committed to continuous improvement, collaboration, and user-centered innovation.